How to unlock a tablet when you forgot the password. So let's get started. First step is launch the EasyWay Movie Unlock to reset an tablet phone without password and choose remove screen lock option available there. Now you'll be navigated to the section where you have to choose your phone brand. Look through it and tap on the your phone brand option available there. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to unlock your phone. The phone unlocker will unlock your phone by resetting, thus you can factory reset your tablet without password using this tool as well. So in order to factory reset, press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. Then hold until an option appears on your tablet screen, then find the recovery mode. Now find out the option to clear all data from the tablet and select the option and confirm the action. Remember, the steps and menu items may vary from one brand of Android tablet to another, but the given steps are general for all Android tablets. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.